Thursday Cannes Film Festival saw the return of Harrison Ford, who received a honorary Palme d'Or before the world premiere of Disney Lucasfilm Indiana Jones and the Dial of Destiny. Before accepting the honorary Palme d'Or, the American actor smiled and took a moment to look around the theater. Ford was honored with a career highlights reel and earned a huge round of applause from the audience inside the Grand Théâtre Lumière, similar to the tribute given to Tom Cruise last year. The reel, which was set to one of the star's themes, featured clips from Ford favorites like the Frisco Kid, Working Girl, Blade Runner, Raiders of the Lost Ark, American Graffiti, K-9, The Widowmaker, Air Force One, Mosquito Coast, The Fugitive, and the cantina scene from Star Wars, as well as the entire Indiana Jones series after an introduction by Cannes head Thierry Fromox, which included shoutouts to Disney Bob Iger, indie producers Kathleen Kennedy, Frank Marshall, Mads Mikkelsen, Ford Walker-Bridge Ford, and his wife Callista Flockhart, and director James Mangold. Yahoo News claims that after the reel was played, Ford exclaimed, "I am very touched. I am very moved by this." They said when you're about to die, you see your life flash before your eyes. I just saw my life flash before my eyes, he added. Well, it is not the first Indiana Jones movie to have Cannes premiere. At the 2018 edition of the festival, the fourth installment, Indiana and the Kingdom of the Crystal Skull, debuted. Well, thank you for watching. My name is Anders and I am from 72 Dragons. I will see you in the following video with something more interesting. Bye.